Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another edition of WisDellsDeals, the news, sponsored by My Friend's Cabin, cabin and cottage rentals in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. You can visit myfriendscabin.com or follow My Friend's Cabin on Facebook. That's facebook.com/myfriendscabin. Here's an amazing glimpse of one of the many reasons to book a cabin rental or cottage rental for yourself at My Friend's Cabin in Wisconsin Dells. Please watch this. Hello, my friends, and welcome again to myfriendscabin.com. Cabin and cottage rentals in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. You could be sitting in one of our cabins right here off the golf course. Yes, we're only 4 miles outside downtown Dells. Look at the beautiful sunset you can watch as you sit in the screened-in deck. Yes, what a beautiful sunset, pretty much every night of the year, no matter what the season. Don't forget, for upcoming dates and information, go to myfriendscabin.com or go to our Facebook page for specials. Facebook, My Friend's Cabin. Hope to see you soon. Wow, how relaxing to take time and watch the sunset at My Friend's Cabin in Wisconsin Dells. Your family should take our family's word for it and visit their family-owned business at myfriendscabin.com. On a more personal note, myself and my family have been coming to the Dells for over 40 years. For many years, we've been coming to the Dells and enjoying all the experiences Wisconsin Dells has to offer. Back to the news. There are so many one-of-a-kind businesses right here in Wisconsin Dells that are family-owned and operated. Here at WisDellsDeals, we've been interviewing some of those families and have found some interesting behind-the-scenes information about their businesses, and they operate here in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Watch WisDellsDeals.com and experience WisDells.com for upcoming interviews we'll post. Our next interview, which is an exclusive interview with Kevin and Karina Ricks, the owners of Wizard Quest and Ripley's Believe It or Not in Wisconsin Dells. Wizard Quest, a magical interactive scavenger hunt in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Wizard Quest is one of the premier attractions in Wisconsin Dells. As a family-owned and operated business, it's the only attraction of its kind in the world. Yep, that's right. Wizard Quest is a one-of-a-kind attraction in which you could travel the world and not find another. In fact, one might say Wizard Quest is a little out of this world. The Wizard Quest attraction has you stepping from the outside world of downtown Wisconsin Dells into a world unlike anything you have ever experienced. This family attraction is 13,000 square foot of fantasy labyrinth that has you traveling the quadrospheres and moving between the realms of air, fire, earth, and water as a quester. As a quester, you will be seeking to unlock answers by the way of solving riddles, answering questions, and going through mazes to complete your quest. Here's our rogue reporter with a clip. Please watch this. Just behind me is downtown Wisconsin Dells. The Dells is known for many premier attractions. This premier attraction just behind me, called Wizard Quest in Wisconsin Dells, has you stepping from the outside world of downtown Wisconsin Dells into a world unlike anything you have ever experienced. Once you enter this labyrinth-type escape room concept where you solve riddles to free and freeze wizards, you will meet characters unlike anything you've ever seen. Unlike most escape rooms, this attraction has you wishing you could spend more time. Wizard Quest is soon to be bigger and better. In addition to the larger size and longer time frame in the attraction, you will also meet many new characters who reside in the new facility. The new characters are lifelike, larger than life, and range from crustaceans to dragons, insects to fairies, and just about everything in between. And don't forget about the wizards. We were able to obtain an exclusive interview with the owners, Kevin and Karina Ricks, in the new Wizard Quest location, next to a full-sized, lifelike cricket-type character who seemed to look down upon us during the entire interview. The look on this insect's face made us think he didn't approve of some of our questions in the interview, but we later learned there is something else on this guy's mind. Come to Wizard Quest's new location to find out what has this rather large insect a bit upset. Maybe you can help him. In this interview, Rick and Karina reveal the story behind the creation of the characters, the hierarchy of the vast array of wizards and other characters in Wizard Quest, as well as giving us a behind-the-scenes tour of the new facility still under construction. We are excited to share this interview with you. We look forward to seeing you in Wisconsin Dells at Wizard Quest. You know, Wisconsin Dells is known for where memories are made. We hope we can help you explore some new experiences and find your fun in Wisconsin Dells. And please don't forget, visit our sponsor, myfriendscabin.com, cabin and cottage rentals in Wisconsin Dells, Wisconsin. Also visit WisDellsDeals.com to find your fun in Wisconsin Dells. And visit Experience WisDells to find and explore new and exciting experiences all throughout the Dells. Wow, that was amazing! Whether you're visiting Wisconsin Dells for a family vacation to explore everything the Dells has to offer, a grown-up getaway for nightlife and a casino nearby, a single adventurer to go hiking and enjoy nature, or a business trip and interested in some relaxation or fun between meetings, I suggest you visit one of our blogs about Wisconsin Dells has to offer. Our blogs are WisDellsDeals.com and ExperienceWisDells.com. You can click the links above. Please visit our sponsor, myfriendscabin.com. That's cabin and cottage rentals in Wisconsin Dells. Also, you can follow My Friends Cabin on Facebook. That's facebook.com/myfriendscabin. And please visit WisDellsDeals.com or ExperienceWisDells.com to find your fun in Wisconsin Dells. Of course, explore more ways to experience what Wisconsin Dells has to offer on your next vacation. Thanks for watching WisDellsDeals, the news.